Let's start another problem using superposition theorem. In the problem, it has asked to identify the current in 0.5 ohm resistor using superposition theorem. So there are two voltage sources, one is of 15 volt and another one is of 20 volt. For the superposition theorem, all you have to do is first you have to consider any one of the circuits. So considering 15 volt only. First, if you will consider the 15 volt source only, then the circuit will be okay. Now you have to identify the current flowing through the 0.5 ohm. To identify current flowing through 0.5 ohm, we noticed that 15 volt, 1 ohm and 1 ohm is over here. This 0.5 ohm and 1 and 2 divided by 3, which is equals to 0.67 ohm resistor. Okay, now you can use current divider rule, or you can directly identify first I total. I total is equals to 15 upon you have to identify R equivalent. For R equivalent is equals to 0.5. R equivalent is equals to 20 by 13. Okay, so put that value and you will get 15 divided by answer is equals to I is equals to 39 by 4 ampere. Once you get the value of I, you can directly find I dash, which is flowing from left side to right side, is equals to I total into opposite branch is 1 upon 0.5 plus 0.67 plus 1 is equals to 4.49 ampere. Okay, this is the current flowing through this 0.5 ampere. Now you have to identify current flowing through current while considering 20 volt. Okay, so let's redraw the circuit. Considering 20 volt only, what we get, draw the circuit. Okay, this one is 1, next one is 1, and after 1 there is on the top 0.5 1 1, and this one is of 2 and the one is 1. Okay, that's how our circuit look like. Okay, if you are able to draw this circuit, I think you can easily identify the value of current flowing through this. You have noticed that current is flowing from left to right in this position, and current will be flowing from this position as the voltage is. Okay, now calculate I total, which is equals to 20 upon R equivalent. 1 0.5 0.5 plus 0.5 plus 0.5 1 parallel with 2 will give 2 by 3, and then plus 1 will give you 5 by 3, 1.667 ohm. You will get 20 divided by answer is equals to 12. Therefore the total current flowing through it is 12 ampere. You get 12 ampere until this position. 12 ampere will divide 0.5, means the resultant of these two will (0.5) and 1 and 2. Now using current divider rule, I have to identify current divider rule. I1 dash, we have used I dash, and now I1 dash is equals to total current is 12 into opposite branch is 2 upon 2 plus 1 Okay, so therefore it's 3 by 12. 3 by 12 means 4. 4 to the 8 ampere current is flowing through this in this direction. Now we can see that the current I is equals to I1 dash minus I1 I dash, as they are flowing in opposite direction. Therefore 8 minus 4.49 is 0.51 ampere is the resultant current flowing through the 0.8. Hope this video is helpful. And